Hello, my students. How are you? Today we will complete unit number 3, which is about sport. We have today from lesson 4 to 6. Okay, the learning outcomes for today. Today you are going to give predictions. What does it mean? Predictions means that you are going to say, for example, I think Salim will be the first. Then you are going to write a paragraph about the race. Also, you are going to identify sports and give opinion. For example, I think golf is the most exciting sport. Or you may say, I agree. Okay? So we will start by spelling test. You are going to open your skills book, page number 68. Here we have look, cover, write, check. Here we have how many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 words. You are going to read these words first. Okay. Look at this word Olympic, record, medal, tracksuit, team. Okay. You are going to write them. Then check your writing. Okay. On your skills book, column number 1 till 3. Okay, my students? Now, open your class book, page number 25, and look at this picture. Look here, we have race here. We have Salim, Sami, Jum'a, Ball. If I ask you, who is the first? Okay, who is the first? Who do you think? My students, who is the first? Yes, Sami. Well done. Who is the second? Look at this picture. Who is the second? Look at their legs. Yes, Juma. Who is the third? Ball. Who is the last one or the fourth? Salim. Well done. Now let's read this sentence and tick 2 sentences. Which sentences are true and which sentences are false? Let's read it. Sami was faster than Juma. Is it true? Was Sami faster than Juma? Yes, true. Excellent. What about this one? Salim was slower than Ball. Salim was slower than Ball. Look at Ball. Is it correct? Was Salim slower than Ball? Yes, excellent, it's true. What about Juma? Juma was faster than Ball. Is this sentence correct? No, yes, it's correct. We have Juma was faster than Ball. Yes. What about the fourth one? Juma was slower than Ball and Salim. Juma was slower than Ball and Salim. Is it correct? No. What about number 5? Ball was faster than Salim. Ball was faster than Salim, but slower than Sami. Is it correct? Yes, it's true. Excellent, my students. Now, open your class book, page number 25, and look at this picture. Here we have girls racing. Okay, here we have Maha, Naila, Vicky, and Pam. Okay, we are going to read the sentences and answer the questions. Who is the fastest? Okay, who is the slowest? Which one? Which girl? Or who is the slowest girl here? How many girls we have here? 4 girls. Okay, let's read this text. Maha was faster than Vicky. Okay, Maha here was faster than Vicky. Okay, Vicky was faster than Pam. Vicky was faster than Pam. Naila was slower than Vicky. Naila was slower than Vicky, but faster than Pam. So this is a puzzle. So who was the fastest? Can you know, my students? Can you give me the name? Which one of these girl was the fastest? Was Maha or Naila, Vicky or Pam? My students, think and tell me the answer. Yes? Well done, Maha. Very good. What about number 2? Who was the slowest? What do you think? My students. Naila? No. Pam, well done. Excellent. Because he said here, Naila was slower than Vicky. Naila was slower than Vicky, but faster than Pam. Faster than Pam. So Pam was the slowest. Okay? Do you understand? Excellent. Okay. Now look here. We have an activity on our skills book, page number 19. We are going to write about the race. Well done. Look here. We have race here. Okay. Here we have girls. How many girls here we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's read their name. Here we have Sa'da, Nasira, Zena, and Faiza. Okay, so how many girls in the race? 4 girls. Who was the first? Look at the picture and tell me, who was the first? Sada, well done. Who was the second? Nasira, well done. Who was the third? Zena. And who was the fourth? Faiza, well done. Who was faster than Nasira? What do you think? Who was faster than Nasira? Sada, well done. Who was slower than Zena? Slower. Yes, Faiza. Well done, my students. Now we are going to use this spelling help to write a paragraph about this race. Was third, second, winner. Who was the winner? My students, Sada. Well done. Okay, here we have fourth, faster than, slower than. Can you give me sentences about this picture? Yes, let's write a paragraph about race. It's very easy. Okay. Here we will write the first sentence. There were 4 girls in the race. Here, there were 4 girls in the race. Okay. It was an interesting race. Yes, it was an interesting race. Okay. Then we will write about Sada. Sada was the first. Okay. Nasira was the second. Okay. Zena was the third. Zena was the third. Faiza was the last. Excellent. What about the winner? What about this word, slower than and faster than? How can we use it? Okay. Yes, Nasira was faster than Zena. Nasira was faster than Zena. Well done. But Faiza, okay, Nasira was faster than Zena, but Faiza was slower than Zena. Okay, Sada was the winner. Well done. So we wrote a paragraph now about the race. Is it easy, my students? Yes, teacher, it is easy. So first we have to write about how many girls or how many boys are in the race. You are going to write there were 4 girls in the race. Then, was it interesting race or boring or what? We have to describe the race. It was an interesting race. Then we will write who is the first, who was the first, who was the second, who was the third, who was the fourth. Okay? Then we will write who is faster than who. For example, here we have Nasira was faster than Zena, but Faiza was slower than Zena. Then we will write who was the winner. We have Sada was the winner. Okay, my students? Is it easy? I hope. Okay? Now, on your class book, page number 26, here we have different sports. Now we are going to identify the name of the sports, okay? Let's read it first, then we are going to listen and number the pictures, okay? Let's read it together first. We have here football, skiing, horse riding, basketball, ice skating, judo, table tennis, roller skating, windsurfing, okay, volleyball, diving, golf, badminton, okay, swimming, tennis, and athletics, okay? Now, listen and number the pictures, okay?
Listening 3.2. 1. Swimming. 2. Football. 3. Badminton. 4. Tennis. 5. Skiing. 6. Roller skating. 7. Golf. 8. Athletics. 9. Windsurfing. 10. Horse riding. 11. Table tennis. 12. Diving. 13. Basketball. 14. Ice skating. 15. Judo. 16. Volleyball.
Okay, do you want to listen to it again? To memorize the name of the sports? Okay, I will play it for you again. Listen.
Listening 3.2. 1. Swimming. 2. Football. 3. Badminton. 4. Tennis. 5. Skiing. 6. Roller skating. 7. Golf. 8. Athletics. 9. Windsurfing. 10. Horse riding. 11. Table tennis. 12. Diving. 13. Ice skating. 15. Judo. 16. Volleyball.
Okay, my students. So, if I ask you, what is number 3? Yes? Can you name this sport? Badminton. Well done. What about number 14? What is it? Ice skating. Well done. What about number 15? Judo. Well done. Number 12? Diving. Good. Number 10? Horse riding. Well done. Number 16? Volleyball. What about number 9? Windsurfing. Excellent. What about number 4? Tennis. Well done. Number 7? Golf. Excellent, my students. Well done. Okay. Now I want you to use this word to express your opinion. Okay? You have to say, I think. Okay? I think. For example, if I ask you which sport is the most difficult to play in Oman, you have to say, I think is diving. Look here, discuss, share your opinion about sport. Read the questions, give your opinion, agree on one answer. Okay? For example, I think golf is the most exciting. What do you think? You may say, I agree. What about volleyball? Look at this girl. She's asking, what about volleyball? This boy answer, let's agree on golf. What do you think? Let's agree on golf, okay? If I ask you which sport is the most exciting to watch on TV, you may say, I think football is the most exciting. Okay. If I ask you which sport is the most dangerous to do, you may say, I think is diving. Another person he say, I agree. Okay? I agree. What does it mean I agree? In Arabic يعني أنا أتفق. Yes. أوافقك الرأي. I agree. Which new sport would you like to learn? Which new sport would you like to learn? You may say, I think I would like to learn volleyball, for example. Should all children have to play sport at school? You may say, I think yes. Which new sport should be added to the next Olympics? You may say, I think any kind of sports, okay? So here, what I want you to do, you are going to answer these questions, take a video, asking and answering questions. Imagine that you are two persons. One is asking these questions, which sport is the most exciting to watch on TV? And then you are going to answer by saying, I think, use this word, okay? I think golf is the most exciting, or I think football is the most exciting. And then do the same things with the other questions. Okay, my students? I'm waiting for your video. Okay? Now look at these sounds. Can you pronounce this sound? E. Well done. Here, both of these are pronounced as E. But here we have double E and here we have E and A. Okay, but it is pronounced as E. So here we have E as in sheep, B, week. And here we have also E as in team, T, and leaf. Okay, now we have a game. Here, read the rule and play a spelling game. Here, we should have a dice and we have to throw it and then we are going to play this game. But because we are online, so we are going to do it like this. Let's read this phrase and answer the questions, okay? And write here the word. Let's see here, a tall plant. What is it? A tall plant, and it has the sound E. What do you think? A tall plant? Tree. Well done. Excellent. What about this one? Lots of salt water. What is it? Yes, where can we find this? C. Excellent. Part of the leg, and it has E sound. Part of the leg. What do you think? Feet. Excellent. Okay, and then we have 7 days, week. Excellent. And here we have not dirty. And E, not dirty, the opposite of dirty, what is it? Clean. Excellent. E, you do this at night. What do we do at night? We sleep. Sleep. Excellent. Now, sugar tastes like this. E, sweet. Sweet. Excellent. You do it with a book. What do we do with the book? We read the book. Excellent. Now it is around the car has got four. Around the car and has got four. Four of this one. What is it? Wheel. Excellent. Here a number less than five. Less than five and it has the sound E. 3. Well done. Part of a plant and it has E. Leaf. Excellent. A color. and it has E sound. What is it? Green. Well done. It makes honey. What is it? B. A hot drink. What is it? Tea. Excellent. They are in your mouth. What do we have in our mouth? Yes, and it has the sound E. Teeth. Excellent. You do it with your eyes. E. And we do it with our eyes. What do we use our eyes for? What? For to see. Excellent. A group of sports people. Team. Excellent. A food made from milk. What is it? A food made from milk and it has the sound E. What is it? Yes, my students. Cheese. Excellent. So we have finished. Excellent. Okay. Now we have mini presentation. Okay. Do here a presentation. We think golf is the most exciting sport to watch on TV. You are going to use the word think. We think as a group. We think or I think. Tell the class what's your group think about sport. Okay? Take turns to talk about questions. Okay? Your group should talk for about 1 minute. You are going to talk about for about 1 minute. I think swimming is the most exciting sport to watch on TV. Or I think, for example, golf is the most exciting sport to watch on TV. You have to talk for about 1 minute about your sport. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you, my students. Goodbye.